Here's how to convert MKV to MOV. So if you're trying to convert between these two video file types, I created a software for Windows and Mac called ConvertSave, and it does exactly that. You drag and drop your files in, could be multiple files if you want to. Select your output, in this case we're going to MOV, and hit convert, and it saves right next to wherever those original files came from. It's that simple. I've been going through these conversions one at a time to make sure we've got the best quality conversion happening. If it doesn't even have to re-encode the video, it'll just change the container. I'm getting a little advanced for some of you, but basically that means we don't even touch the video and audio in some cases, and it just is a perfect conversion quality-wise. Otherwise, we're converting with the highest quality possible that we can, and you're going to get that output file being basically identical or possibly completely identical to your first one. So that's really cool. I work on this with my brother. He's a software developer, and we just wanted to create an alternative to all those weird, sketchy websites out there that you have to upload all your files to, and you can only do a couple at a time. And you probably even have file size limits and stuff like that. Instead, you can have this desktop software. I'll leave a link in the description down there, or just go to convertsave.com. And you can literally just drag and drop. Works completely offline, works for Windows and Mac, and it also does images, video, and audio conversions. And it knows the file that you're bringing in, and it'll give you all the outputs that you can use. And then also there's this advanced tab where you can customize the options for any particular conversion. So we're going to MOV, right? We have MKV to MOV. It'll tell you the tool that's being used. It'll tell you the primary and secondary commands that are being used. Basically, the secondary is just a fallback if the primary isn't compatible with the conversion. And then you can add custom commands. And you might not know what those are exactly unless you're a real advanced user, but in the options builder here, we can actually build our own commands. And so there's a bunch of different, more user-friendly things like a quality tab slider here. And then there's all kinds of stuff like resolution and frame rate because we're doing video to video. If you're doing image to image, you've got effects, cropping, resizing, just all kinds of different things that show up here. And you can actually build your own command and save it with this button down here. And it's going to save your command down here and use that for those conversions and actually save it for that conversion type moving forward if you want like a different default. Or you can just clear it and use the other defaults that we've put in there. But regardless, even if you get in there or not, drag, drop, convert, save, it's that simple, that quick. I wanted it to be quick because I use this thing for my conversions. It does images to, or like multiple images to a multi-page PDF, which I've personally found it to be the best solution for that for me on my computer multiple times now. And so I really like that one. That's just my own personal thing that I know I've used it and thought of it as the first solution compared to all the different other things that I could be using, like Photoshop or something on my iPhone or anything like that. And so I hope you guys find as much utility in it as I do. Let me know if you check it out. Go to convertsave.com, click the link in the description. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.